Hey, guys, it's Multi-One, and let's face it, waking up multiple times throughout the night to pee is the worst. It disrupts our sleep, leaves us feeling drained in the morning, and frankly, no one wants to live like that. The good news is that you don't have to accept this as your new normal. In this video, we're going to explore 3 powerful yet tiny vitamins that can make a world of difference when it comes to frequent nighttime urination. We'll dive into the science behind how they work their magic. And I'll give you practical tips on how to incorporate them into your daily routine. If you're ready to reclaim those peaceful nights and wake up feeling refreshed, then keep watching. Oh, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future health advice. First up, let's talk about vitamin D. We all know it's crucial for bone health. But did you know it also plays a vital role in regulating our bladder muscles? That's right. Studies have shown that sufficient levels of vitamin D can actually improve bladder control and reduce those pesky nighttime bathroom trips. It all comes down to how vitamin D affects the muscles in our body, including those in our bladder. When we're deficient in vitamin D, these muscles may not function optimally, leading to issues like overactive bladder and nighttime urination. Now, the easiest way to boost your vitamin D levels is by soaking up some sunshine. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of direct sunlight exposure daily without sunscreen to allow your body to naturally produce vitamin D. Of course, we also need to be mindful of sun protection, so if you're spending prolonged periods outdoors, always apply sunscreen. For those who live in areas with limited sunlight or have difficulty getting enough sun exposure, incorporating vitamin D-rich foods or supplements can be incredibly beneficial. Foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products are all excellent sources of vitamin D. Next, we have magnesium, a mineral that's often associated with relaxation and sleep. But what many people don't realize is that magnesium is also a key player in maintaining a healthy bladder. You see, magnesium helps to relax the muscles in our body, including those in our bladder. When our magnesium levels are low, these muscles can become tense and overactive, leading to, you guessed it, frequent urination, especially at night. The good news is that incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your diet is a simple and delicious way to support bladder health. Leafy green vegetables, almonds, avocado, and dark chocolate are all excellent sources of this essential mineral. If you're looking for an extra boost, magnesium supplements are also available. However, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before starting any new supplements, just to ensure it's right for you. Vitamin C, the bladder protector. Finally, let's talk about vitamin C. We all know it's essential for a strong immune system, but it also plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy bladder. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, which means it helps to protect our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Now, when it comes to bladder health, vitamin C helps to support the integrity of the bladder lining, which acts as a barrier against bacteria and other irritants. When this lining is compromised, it can lead to inflammation and discomfort, contributing to frequent urination. Incorporating vitamin C-rich foods into your diet is a delicious way to support bladder health. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, lemons, as well as strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers are all excellent sources of this vital nutrient. Sweet dreams are made of this, so there you have it. 3 tiny vitamins that can make a world of difference when it comes to frequent urination at night. Remember, incorporating these vitamins into your daily routine can have a significant impact on your sleep quality and overall well-being. As always, it's essential to consult with your healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen. They can help determine the right dosage and approach for your individual needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might also benefit from these tips. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on how to live a healthier and happier life. Try incorporating these vitamins into your daily routine and say goodbye to those sleepless nights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips.